Hi, I'm Janisha Cheda, Application Scientist at SHIMADZU Scientific Instruments. In this video, we will be discussing the new Inter-Jig Distance feature, which is standard on all AGX-V test frames.
The touch panel controller enables the operator to manipulate crosshead position, monitor transducer values, access frame settings, and register distance between jigs. In this video, we will take a closer look at how to register the distance between jigs. With the jigs in contact, zero the position. Then jog the crosshead and inter-jig distance greater than 20 millimeters. To access the inter-jig distance feature, press Inter-Jig Distance on the touch panel. To register a new jig, we will need to initialize the feature by pressing Initial Settings. Press Current Jig Distance and input in the position of the crosshead. Set the minimum limit to 20 millimeters and the maximum limit greater than the expected total sample elongation and press OK. Now you can enter in the preferred distance between the jig using the Inter-Jig Distance button and hit OK. Press Move and confirm prompted settings. The crosshead will now move to the set Inter-Jig Distance. Start up Trapezium-XV software and connect with the test frame. In Trapezium-XV, click on Hardware setting at the main menu, then click on the AGX-V tab. In the bottom right column, click on Registration of Jigs, then New. Name the jig and confirm the jig type. Since the jig has been registered through the touch panel, we can read Inter-Jig Distance setting directly into the software. Then click OK. Now that the jig has been registered, we can link the registered jig in the method file when creating a new method. The Inter-Jig Distance feature can be used to automatically set the sample gauge length once the user opens the test method. This feature also provides additional safety to prevent jig impact by always recognizing the crosshead's current position. For more information on SHIMADZU test frames, visit us at www.ssi.shimadzu.com.
Excellence in science. SHIMADZU.